To connect a Samsung Galaxy smartphone to your car, we can use Android Auto. So we're gonna go to Settings, and then in here choose Connected Devices. In here you can easily find Android Auto option, usually it is at the bottom. And then here we can find straight away some settings that you might want to check out. But since we want to just simply connect our smartphone to our car, you can choose Connect a Vehicle. Now you can use a USB cable that fits both your car and your smartphone if you have a USB port in your car. So in that case, you should be able to, of course, plug it in, connect your smartphone to your car, and it should connect straight away. In some cases, you just have to initially connect the phone to the car by using the USB cable, and then after that you might be able to use it wirelessly. However, in some cases, of course, you will have to keep your phone connected via USB cable. And if your car supports wireless connections, then you can try to pair your smartphone to your car wirelessly. So you can tap on Connect using wireless Android Auto over here, and then we have additional instructions. Now, besides that, you can also jump to Bluetooth settings. We can tap on Connect using Bluetooth over here, and then you choose Pair a Vehicle. And sometimes you can find your car here on this list of available devices, so you can select it in here on this list, and most likely the phone is going to pair with your car. And also keep in mind that after a short while you can refresh the list, so here you will find a scan button, which you can use to, like I said, to refresh the list, to make sure that your car is going to appear on this list. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.